Am I witnessing a spectacle? The orange clouds are suddenly brighter. That place I'm looking at is Moloy City. We live here in Kulen, 2 kilometers away from Moloy. At 11 o'clock in the evening or around 12 o'clock in the evening, we should see such clouds, bright orange clouds. Beautiful, but they also mean it's going to be very warm tomorrow. Hubby said it's going to be more than 30 degrees. Hoo hoo hoo.